Okay, Assalam everyone. Hopefully you all are doing well. Okay, first of all, as you all know that today's topic is regards to the important things of the geography exam in the upcoming examination series. Okay, before starting on the topic, I'd just like to answer some of the queries that have been asked in our comment section of YouTube and other videos. First of all, the many queries were regarding the compulsory section. That is it from section C or some else section. Okay, before that, I just like to mention some important aspects, or you can say some facts regarding the history examination that around last 4 to 5 years. Okay, in June 17, we had section A as a compulsory question. Okay, and then in November 17, we had section B as a compulsory, and it was section C in June 18, and from June 18 till October-November 2021 we have no section C, or you can say that it just almost 4 years passed. We have no section C in any of the examination series, either in 19, 20, 21. Okay, so according to our, you can say, analysis, so it would be most likely to have section C, because many times we saw question coming from section A, from section B as well. Okay, other than that, there were some queries regarding about the important relations. As we have created video, and just I completely forgot about the mentioning the relation, which I just pinned comment in our video of the history examination or guest paper. So I just pinned some of the important relations: Pakistan India, Pakistan Afghanistan, and Pakistan USA. I guess USSR also. Okay, 3 to 4 relations are very much important, because in last 4 to 5 years, 5 years, you can say that in June 17 we had a relation of Pakistan with Afghanistan. After that, we don't have a relation either with India, USA, and USSR. Okay, so that's much important as well. I just completely forgot about the mentioning all of them in the question. Okay, other than that, now come to the topic of the geography guest paper. As you all know, it is you can say quite difficult to mention the question, because the question may be asked in many of the different ways. But yes, there are some topics which are most likely to be seen in May-June 2022 examination series. First of all, the population is very much important topic. As you all know, in almost every examination series we do have population and unemployment question. Okay, other than that, we have 3 to 4 more topics which are most likely to be in the May-June 2022 series. Okay, the topic is about the fishing. From last 2 years, you can say in last 4 exams, if you just include both May, June and winter, we haven't seen any of the question of the fishing in May, June 20, November 20, May, June 21, November 21. Okay, so fishing is very much important, and yes, forest is likely to be important, you can say, but less than fishing, you can say. Okay, other than that, we have minerals and power resources are very much important as well. Mineral resources maybe it just came out there, so power resources, yes, it maybe had a great chance in the upcoming series. Other than that, the topic of the industries and agriculture are very much important as well. Okay, and it just, you can just be saying that I'm just mentioning all of the topics, but not just about the analysis, because in many of the examination series they have just repeat the question, and you can say with no gap in the session. Like after May, June, they just repeat the question in winter examination series of the same year, or you can say in consecutive exams. Now, other than that, we do have a question regarding about the natural topography. Yes, natural topography is very much less likely to be seen in the last examination series as well. Although we do have a climate and water resource, but yeah, these are some general topics which may include in all of the, you can say, in all of the questions, because we have around 12 questions. Chapter 1 to 12 is, you can say, about the 12 different chapters with 12 different questions, but we can't just lose any of the argument regards to that we are just not including any of the topic from natural resource, climate, and you can say topography. these three topics are including in every of the topic, because you can just can't say that these don't have an interlink or no connection between the other topic as well. They do have, some of them have with the climate, transportation and communication and etc. Okay. Yes, more you can say more things are coming out as well, but still what we have likely to have said in this video is just you can just note down, or you can just have a quick review on this topic. And lastly, don't just take our guest paper as a final, you can say, examination, that is a final examination, but it's just other mentioning that you must need to cover these topics at least before going to the examination series, because in many of the students they just do completely, you can say, skip the topics by just having that they do have choice in their series. You can say in the Islamiyat we have a choice of one question, and in both history and geography we do have a choice of two questions. So just mentioning these guest paper and just mentioning this important question topic just to make sure that these topics must not be skipped or must not be forgotten when we are just revising all of them, because these are the topics that most likely to become, and in many of the examination series previously we do have some questions that came out from our video too. Hopefully you just got our point, and inshallah you will be having a good exam ahead. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care.